Dr. Jean Evelyn, actually work in Lutz and also presently working at Lagoon Hospital.
My name is Adiola Limikon and I'm a facilitator at Wild Fusion Digital Center. I liked the fact that the students really enjoyed the class. They were able to ask a lot of questions regarding situations, the issues they were having at work. They were able to ask questions for those who were moving into that space. I mean, some were transiting from being a doctor to data analytics.
I learned a lot about Excel, Python, SQL, PowerBI. So it's really a lovely experience for someone coming from the medical field into something totally different. I can say confidently I know a lot more about data analysis.
Well, it's been a pleasant experience, in-depth teaching and very comprehensive learning material, so it's been a very great experience for me.
I met a lot of good people, those in the banking industry, different field.
My name is Akinola Olasukun. I'm a business management consultant. I actually assist clients with process automation and accounting services.
Different people from different walks of life, both within the country and outside the country, were able to share their experiences and ask questions relating to work from life situation.
It's been a wonderful experience to be able to see data as a solution-driven document more than as an ordinary document. Wild Fusion Digital Center is one of the best tech schools for me that I have encountered.
Coming in here, I thought it would be a great challenge, it would be a big deal. But Wild Fusion really opened my eyes and helped me at the end and took me through this step by step, and it has been an easy one, really.
I'd like to recommend Wild Fusion for finance managers, accountants, bookkeepers, CFOs, and even junior managers to really consider having a training at Wild Fusion, and that will really transform your career to the best. Thank you.